What's up, guys? My name is Josh. Today I'm going to give you a room tour of our interior promenade view here on board the Independence of the Seas. Now, we're in stateroom 6581, and when you come in the room, this is the view that you're greeted with. So, of course, the main attraction of this room would be that promenade view right over there. I'll take you over and show you that here in just a few moments. First, though, what we'll notice is on the left, you've got your closet space. So in there, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and then the life jackets down there, as well as some extra life jackets up top here. So you could definitely stack some clothes here. You've also got these fold-down hanger racks, so if you needed some extra hanger space, maybe you didn't have enough up here up top, you can always hang some down there, as well as 2 bathrobes and the dry cleaning laundry service information all right there for you. Safe is going to be located right on that top shelf up here, and basically the way it works is you just enter a 4-digit code, press the lock button to open it, you enter that same 4-digit code and it opens right up. So pretty self-explanatory there. Just behind the closet space here, we will find the bathroom. Now inside the bathroom, one of the things that I really liked, I noticed it immediately when I opened it up, is of course the double shower doors here. I love the fact that they put doors in the bathroom instead of a curtain. It makes it feel so much more open, and you know, just it's nice to not have that shower curtain sticking to you. So there is that. The doors open in, and then of course you would just close them once you're inside. Now, for Royal Caribbean, something to know is that they do not provide any sort of body wash soap for you. So you have the conditioning shampoo, the 2-in-1, available complimentary. But then the soap, that they do not provide, other than what's over here on the counter here. So we've got the revitalized shower gel, the hydration conditioner, and the clarifying shampoo. But that is all like separate from what's in the shower. So just keep that in mind. For me, I actually ended up just bringing my own. Other than that, everything pretty standard in here in the bathroom. Of course, you've got your sink, 2 water glasses, a mirror, hello, and your toiletries, towels, all that kind of stuff. Of course, if you need any more linens, you can always ask your stateroom steward. They'll be happy to get that for you. Now, as you guys see, the beds are together for our stateroom. We are not going to keep it that way. We had marked in there to have them separated, and for whatever reason, they just didn't separate them. So we actually just called down there. Peter went down there a few minutes ago, and they're going to separate those tonight for us before bed. But here is the overview of the room. So like I said, we've got the bed here. You've got your phone system over there. Something I really liked was these movable night lights for reading. So you can actually move that, as you guys see there on the bed. And it's got a separate switch of its own back here on the light stand, so you're able to kind of switch that on and off independently. So just across from the bed, of course, is going to be your entertainment system, as well as some more shelves. So we've got 1, 2, 3 here on top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down here on the bottom for you. And those just pull out. You can put like some underwear, some socks, undershirts, that kind of thing would maybe go in there. Moving to the desk and the entertainment system area, we've got 2 shelves down here. Now, one thing that I found was really interesting, I've never seen this before, is they have an announcement channel on and off switch. And so if we turn that, you're actually going to hear, that's what's in the hallway right now. So that is the music playing out in the hall. Don't know what that's in here for, don't know the purpose of that. I don't know if that means that we won't get announcements in the room if we turn that off or what, but there it is, there you have it. There's the announcement channel. We've also got 2 regular American plugs right here, and then we also have a European plug over here on this side. As far as what's on the desk right now, we've just got some internet. There's our welcome aboard where our room keys were in, and then your daily cruise compass. Now this is Royal Caribbean's daily itinerary of events, so you're going to want to take a look at that, or you can use their app, but definitely keep that somewhere handy so you know what's happening throughout the day. And then under the desk, we do have a pull-out drawer, and that is where your hair dryer is. Now the hair dryer is not hardwired in, so you're going to have to plug it in to one of those plugs if you do need. Moving next to that drawer is going to be our refrigerator behind this door here. Now we've already actually put our Cokes in here that we're going to be drinking throughout our cruise this week, but you know, you really could put anything in there. They'll even stock the mini bar if you so desire. And then finally, the main attraction of this room, the biggest reason that you would book this room maybe over a regular interior, is of course the promenade view. Now this view here is absolutely spectacular. You've got views of everybody walking by, if there's any parties going on down there. Our room is located right across from the Vintages restaurant, as well as Sorrento's is right down there. But you've got amazing views. I'm sure this will be spectacular for us, and it also lets in a little bit of light, you know, so it's not a completely dark interior room. You've got some kind of light coming into your room. And there you have it, guys. There is a little tour of our Promenade View interior stateroom here on board the Independence of the Seas. If you are looking for a stateroom, and you're looking for a stateroom on a budget, I would highly suggest and recommend this type of room. It has amazing views, like I said, to the promenade down below. You're getting some extra light in the room, and it really does just kind of open it up a little bit more, I feel. So that is going to do it for our room tour, guys. Make sure you head back and watch the Independence of the Seas cruise vlogs that are on YouTube right now. Until next time, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun. We'll see you real soon on the high seas.